Mastering Idiomatic Expressions. Kiss up to. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the idiomatic phrase, kiss up to. This expression can be tricky for English learners, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly and know exactly when and how to use it. So, let's get started. The phrase, kiss up to, is a colloquial and somewhat informal expression. It means to flatter someone or to be extra nice to them, especially to gain favor or advantage. It's often used in a context where someone might be seeking approval or benefits from someone else, typically a person in a position of authority. It's always interesting to see where phrases come from. Kiss up to likely originates from the act of literally kissing someone to show them respect or subservience. Historically, people would kiss the ring of a king or pope as a sign of reverence. Over time, this physical act turned into a metaphor for trying to gain favor through flattery or sycophantic behavior. Now, let's see how kiss up to is used in sentences. John is always kissing up to the boss. He's hoping to get a promotion. She doesn't really like the new manager, but she'll kiss up to anyone who can help advance her career. During the meeting, it was obvious he was kissing up to the board members. In each of these sentences, the phrase, kiss up to, conveys the idea of someone acting overly nice or flattering in order to get what they want. If you're looking to vary your language, here are some synonyms for kiss up to. Butter up, brown nose. This one is very informal and can be considered rude. Curry favor with, suck up to, also quite informal and can be negative. Ingratiate oneself with. Remember, synonyms might carry slightly different connotations, so always consider the context before using them. And there you have it. You now know how to use the phrase, kiss up to, like a native speaker. Remember, it's all about context and tone. Use it when you notice someone being excessively flattering for their own benefit. I hope you found this video enlightening and fun. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning, and goodbye for now.